Trump's immigration orders just got blocked. Here's what it means for you. This might be one of the biggest immigration wins of 2025, and almost no one saw it coming. In just the past few days, federal courts across the country blocked several major executive orders from the Trump administration. These orders targeted birthright citizenship, TPS protections, refugee admissions, and more. But the courts pushed back hard. Here's what was blocked, why it matters, and what you need to do next to protect yourself and your family. Birthright citizenship is still protected for now. Let's start with one of the most shocking orders. President Trump signed an executive order earlier this year trying to take away U.S. citizenship from children born on U.S. soil to undocumented parents. That's a direct challenge to the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. But in a huge legal win, a federal court ruled in Barbara versus Trump that this order is unconstitutional, and the Ninth Circuit upheld that ruling on July 24th. That means all children born in the United States, no matter their parents' immigration status, are still citizens. Period. It's a massive relief for mixed-status families and immigrant parents across the country. TPS for Venezuelans, protected for now. Next up, Temporary Protected Status, or TPS. Back in February, the administration announced it was terminating TPS for Venezuelan nationals, affecting over 350,000 people. But that move was blocked. A federal court said the termination couldn't move forward.
And right now,
those with valid documentation as of February 5th, 2025, still have legal TPS status and can continue working in the U.S. Even better, USCIS granted a 540-day automatic extension of work permits for eligible individuals. So, if you're Venezuelan and on TPS, don't panic. But also, don't wait. Make sure your paperwork is in order and get legal help if needed. Afghan TPS holders just got a lifeline. Another executive order tried to strip TPS protections from Afghan nationals, many of whom assisted the U.S. during the war in Afghanistan. They served as interpreters, advisors, and support staff for American troops. Sending them back would be more than a betrayal. It would be dangerous. Thankfully, the Fourth Circuit Court agreed. The court blocked the order and allowed Afghan TPS to continue. This ruling recognizes not just the law, but the humanity behind these protections. Haitian TPS automatically extended to 2026. The Biden-era TPS for Haitians was also on the chopping block. The administration tried to end it by September 2025, but a Seattle-based federal court intervened, citing worsening violence, hunger, and political collapse in Haiti. The court ruling now extends Haitian TPS protections and work permits through February 3, 2026. That gives thousands of Haitian families more time and stability and keeps people from being forced back into a country in crisis. No court has blocked the travel ban yet. Some sources online claimed that Trump's refugee travel ban, known as Proclamation 10949, was blocked this week. That's not accurate. As of now, no new federal injunction has stopped the travel ban, though multiple lawsuits are moving through the system. That means, if you're a refugee already cleared for travel or holding an assigned refugee number, you're still in limbo. Keep watching this space. The courts may step in soon, but nothing is final yet. Supreme Court rules in favor of immigrants on departure timing. Here's another legal win, and it's easy to miss. In a case called Velasquez versus Bondi, the Supreme Court ruled that if your voluntary departure deadline falls on a weekend or holiday, you legally get until the next business day. This decision protects immigrants from being penalized for something as simple as the courthouse being closed. It may sound technical, but it could make a real difference in thousands of deportation cases across the country. New DUI law could trigger deportations. While the courts gave immigrants some wins this week, not everything is good news. On June 26, 2025, the House passed a bill called the Protect Our Communities from DUIs Act. If signed into law, this bill would make nearly all DUI convictions, including misdemeanors, a basis for inadmissibility or deportation. Even lawful permanent residents or visa holders could be impacted. Here's the danger. A single DUI could block a green card application. 2 or more DUIs could lead to removal proceedings. Visa holders could lose their status, even if the DUI happened years ago. If you or someone in your family has a DUI record, now's the time to talk to both an immigration attorney and a criminal lawyer. This bill isn't law yet, but it's moving fast. What this all means. This has been one of the most intense weeks for immigration court action in 2025. Here's a quick recap of what's been blocked or extended. Birthright citizenship is still protected. TPS for Venezuelans, Afghans, and Haitians remains active. No travel ban block yet, but lawsuits are ongoing. Supreme Court ruling gives immigrants extra time to depart legally. DUI law is a growing risk, not yet active but dangerous. For immigrants, the courts are offering hope, but every single one of these wins could still be reversed.
What you should do now.
If you're affected by any of the above, here's your next move. Check your TPS or work permit expiration dates now. Speak with an immigration attorney, even if you think you're safe. Stay informed about DUI laws, especially if you're applying for a green card or visa. Avoid unnecessary travel outside the U.S. until court appeals settle. Make copies of all legal documents, EADs, and I-94s. Federal judges may be defending immigrant rights, but don't assume that means you're protected without action. Final word. The system may feel overwhelming right now, but these court decisions show that the law still matters and that people are fighting back. Stay strong, stay alert, and stay informed. We'll keep you posted every step of the way. If this video helped you understand what's happening, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching BorderDrip USA. See you in the next video.